Inshallah, this video will about how to extend FB4 and Google Ads cookie life. Let's start. Navigate to Google Tag Manager. Move on server container. Go to template. Then search gallery under the tag templates. Search here cookie monster. We use this cookie monster by Shimu Ahaba. Add to workspace, then add. Let's create variable for FB, Google Ads and GA4. New variable configuration, cookie value, then cookie name. Now we create variable for FB, so cookie name should be underscore FBC. Let's the variable name, then save. Again new variable configuration and cookie value, cookie name underscore FBP. Let's the variable name, then save. Now we create variable for Google Ads, so click on new variable configuration, cookie value, and cookie name should be underscore GCL underscore AW, then variable name, then save. Same way, cookie value underscore GA. Let's the variable name, then save. Now we will create variable for GA4, so cookie name should be underscore GA underscore and measurement ID. Copy measurement ID and paste here, then variable name, then save. We have completed creating the variable. Let's enable the client name from built-in variable. Now we create trigger. New trigger configuration, select custom, some events, select variable client name, contains equals J4, then save. Name the trigger. Now we create tags. New tag configuration, cookie monster, add cookie name plus icon and select value and expiration. Go to month to second converter. I want to keep the Facebook cookie for 6 months, so I am setting it 6. It's convert 6 month into second. Let's copy it and paste here, then add. Same way for FBP, add cookie name, select value, expiration, then add. Also for Google Ads, select value. I want to keep it 24 month, so convert 24 month into second, copy it and paste here, then add. Same way. Also for J4, add cookie name, select value, then expiration, add. Now let's triggering. Select client name GA4. Finally, let's name the tag. Then save. Now submit, name the version, then publish. All setup done. Alhamdulillah.